Since the late 1930s, the Trauma-3 bandage has been a part of the Swedish defense. Its long-standing presence is a testament to its high quality and reliability. With continuous innovation and a strong focus on quality, it has become the soldier's best friend. Trauma-3 is a combination and pressure bandage specifically designed for military and emergency use. It is an easy-to-open product that can be opened with just one hand and your teeth. Since Trauma-3 is a combination bandage, it can be used for various types of injuries. By using the additional dressing, it functions as a pressure bandage to control bleeding. Place the pressure dressing directly on the wound and wrap tightly, securing it firmly around the injury. With the help of the two extendable dressings, it can also be used as a covering bandage for larger wounds. It can also be used as a finger bandage, arm sling, or head bandage.